This demo is for the Singer 111W155 walking foot machine. So there's the head of the machine, and here are the pedals. So this is the speed pedal, I guess, and then this one here is the raises and lowers the presser foot. So if I push on it, it pushes that little guy there. So I'm going to try to sew this and take a video one-handed. So you use the button down here to turn it on, and there's the motor down there. So I'm going to line up my, get it in focus there. The threads. So this is the door that has the bobbin case in it. Sorry if the video is shaky. I'm trying to do this one-handed. So sink the needle real quick. And then it's a little noisy, but it's an older machine, so they're kind of clunky. With the foot, as you can see, it is, maybe you can see on there, I'm not sure. The tension is good and even. So this is the belt, looks fairly new on here. I don't know if you can see it. So that'll, something you won't have to replace very soon. I'm going to go ahead and pivot this. So there is the demo of this awesome machine.